Look at the view behind me. So good, so good. This view is amazing. And my poor husband is managing the baby while I vlog. And he's showing the baby birds. And he's saying, birds pala, birds pala. I can't get enough of the view. The food is good here. The only thing is there's no power. Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today we are going to a nearby place here in Sringeri called Sringeri Shankaracharya Sharada Pita. Shankaracharya Pita, the newly constructed, newly made, big, huge Shankaracharya statue idol. So we are going there today. It's beautiful and the view from there is amazing. You can see entire Sringeri and nearby places, towns, bird's eye view. Beautiful. These are the beautiful roads of Sringeri. Once you travel by these, you feel so close to nature. Lot of curves and a very untouched, serene beauty. This is into the woods. Very, very beautiful forest area. Shankargiri statue is about 5-10 minutes from the main Sringeri temple, and you have to park your car at one point, and after that, you will have to trek a little bit. So this is that stretch where you have to climb and then you'll reach the main entrance. There's also a restaurant here where you can enjoy some food and refreshments. Even senior citizens and elderly people also have to climb this stretch. Please note timings of Shankaracharya statue. Timings is 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. and afternoon 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Tuesday is a holiday here. It's built on a hill, so yes, climbing this is a little difficult. Oh, it's on the top. Okay, wow. Oh, there's baby care, toilet, drinking water, musical fountain, Anjaneya Swami Sannidhi. This is all the steps to climb. Also, there's escalator too. Car doesn't come here on the top. There are two ways to go up. One is by staircase, another one they have escalator. And escalator you have to wear footwear, it seems. You can always take the staircase if you want a leg workout. If you are having a leg day, then definitely you can take staircase. Maybe there would be 100 or odd stairs, definitely 100 odd steps maybe. So yes, it would be a great leg workout. But then I was in no mood that day, and so we took the escalator, and here we go. But even after taking escalator, you have still have to climb some maybe 10-15 steps. After that, you have to leave your footwear here, again climb steps. The view you get from here is worth all the effort you take to come. This is so beautiful, so nice, and you can see the hills, lot of forest. This is a huge Shankaracharya statue, and when you go and see this, you feel very small in front of it in all aspects, honestly, in terms of your size, in terms of your intellect, everything. You feel very small in front of it. Look at the sky, so cloudy. My god. This is a 32 feet tall Shankaracharya statue made fully of granite. And if you don't know who Shankaracharya is a 8th century Indian philosopher and a monk who traveled across India, various parts, and is a reviver of our Sanatan Dharma. South Dakshinamnyaya Sri Sharada Peetham Sringeri. First Acharya of the Peeta, Sri Surendracharya. Name of the Peeta is Sri Sharada Peeta. This is Sringeri Shankaracharya Peeta. So beautiful. And you have to come bird's eye view of the city. See? Look at the blue mountains, the Western Ghats. So good. This is Paschinamnyaya Sri Kalika Peetam Dwaraka, Gujarat. Oh, there is Padmapadacharya, Kalika Mutt. This is in the west. Shankaracharya established 4 mathas in 4 different directions: north, south, west, and east. And he is credited with reviving Hinduism from many other emerging religions. Shankaracharya debated with many scholars regarding Hinduism, and that's why he is called Jagat Guru, Pure Jagat ke Guru. In the north, Uttaranamya Jyotish Peeta Badri, Uttarakhand. Look at the view behind me. So good, so good. This view is amazing. And my poor husband is managing the baby while I vlog. And he's showing the baby birds. And he's saying birds pala, birds pala. So thanks to Guruji for managing the baby so that I can follow my passion. Wow, yeah. I can't get enough of the view. Look at that mountain behind me. And this is the entire stretch. See? Western Ghats, those distant mountains are. Then there is, oh, we didn't leave. In east there is, in Odisha there is a Shankaracharya Peeta. Purvamnya Shri Govardhana Peeta, Puri. We had been to Odisha but we missed this. Shankaracharya's Dakshinamnyaya, that is south is Sringeri. There is one in Puri, Odisha. We had been to Odisha but we missed to see this. You can watch our Jagannath Puri vlog. I leave a link in the I button. I can't get over this view. This view is so good. When vehicles come down on that road, no? That road, when vehicles come there, it's so good to see. This view is so good. My camera is not doing justice. Please hit that like button. Also, there is a hype button near the comment section. Please hype my video. ಈ ಅಮ್ಗೆಲಿ ಬೆಳಗೋತು ಚುನ್ ಪಾವ್ಲೆ There is Anjaneya Swami temple over here, and at 7 o'clock Anjaneya Swami temple here, and 7 o'clock evening there is musical fountain also. The weather is just perfect today. It's October end and amazing weather with cloudy. The time is not even 6 o'clock. Look at the weather. This is the Hanuman temple, Anjaneya Swami temple. Ujagar Atulita Baladama Pavana Sutanama. Veer Vikram Bajarangi. Kumat. This is where musical fountain happens, it seems. 7 p.m. in the evening, every day. There's good place to sit also. And that's where they play the fountain. And after a huge debate amongst family members, then we decided to try this Kanaka Hillview restaurant, which is just next to the Shankaracharya statue. But it looked dark and it didn't look good. That's the reason we were hesitating. But then, after a lot of debate, where else to go and blah blah blah, we decided let's try it here. Let's see how this is. Menu. This is masala puri. We ordered 4 such plates of masala puri. There's no current here. Oh yeah. Big give no हाँ गया हाँ. It's a little salty. Megal meter sa. Chod meter. It's very salty, but flavors and all look good. This is Bhatatambade. Thing is good, only current is not here. There's no power cut. This is sev puri. This is dahi puri. This is French fries. The food is good here. The only thing is there's no power. Yeah, that's it for this video. We reached home. We had a great time. Sringeri Sharada Peeta Shankaracharya statue was beautiful. Also, the food in that nearby attached restaurant was also good. It was clean, hygienic. The only thing was there was no power when we went, but the food preparation, everything was good. And it was reasonable price also. It was good. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. Please hit that hype button and hype my video and support me. Thanks for all your support. Very grateful to all of you for being there for me always. I'm forever indebted to you for your support. Thank you. Take care. See you soon. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.